Only if you're...
There you go. The first drips of the day. Bye, Lisa.
Yeah.
There she goes, folks. Look at that thing go.
Go, Lisa, go, Lisa, go, Lisa.
Wow.
Okay, your turn.
Thank you.
Let's see, Eric. Make those drips go. Push them harder. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. We're in good form today. I think I'd go left to right pretty contiguously there.
Okay.
So I'm not sure, did you see a lot of light in here?
I do see a lot of light, I guess.
Okay. If you see it, we're just going for shadows, right?
Okay.
So you're right. Isn't the music pretty out here?
Yes, it truly is.
Say that again.
I said it doesn't really look like the rock, but it's a lot of fun.
There you go. So we're going for some horizontality again. Good. And they don't have to be equal length or anything. Nothing about nature is equal anything. Watch your husband, because he's got the knack going here. He's going pretty fast. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah. There you go. You might want to have a little bit more jagged because there's nothing straight about nature, right? I'm talking about this part up here. There you go. Yeah, you got the feel there, Eric. Yep. I might take this one a little higher. And this one, see how it's too straight? Make it more like, yeah, there you go. The idea is horizontal, but you can daub towards the top. You don't have to like a long straight line with your brush. Yeah, yeah. Did you make some puddles?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. You got it. You're almost there, Lisa. You're almost there. Keep going. You're good. You're good. Yeah, nice.
Thank you, Mother Earth. Bye.
Listening to your inner voice and knowing when to stop. Yeah. Oh, I love the look. I think, see this part, it's kind of missing something. Maybe do another one there. Yeah, I like the look. Very nice. Yeah. You're both so observant. It's really good. Okay, we're doing our shrubbery. You might want to turn this way so it can taper. You're staying vertical. If you go horizontal, we wanted it to taper here. Right.
Okay.
There you go. That's really nice. Leave those spaces.
Okay.
Put a little bit more here. And then when you come over here, make it more on the horizontal and bring it here and taper it to the right. That's just my idea. You got plenty of green going. You don't need any more, Eric. And you probably don't need too much more paint at all. So, hello. So now we've done our shrubbery. Yes. And over here we're still working on our shrubbery. Very nice. I like the spaces between. I love the spaces. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay. So you just need some more paint on yours. A little closer to your page there. Nice splats. Now get some up into the mountains. We've switched out our colors and our brushes. And we're going for some more splats. Here we go. To do yours on the green because you already got plenty of green. I wouldn't do too many in the sky, but more on the monument. There you go. Nice. Pretty splats. First signature of the day. Eric goes for it. Wow, very official signature.